Welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy Brian with Mendez Detailing. Thank you guys for watching this video right here. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Also, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we're going to go ahead and detail this Tesla Model 3. We have a silver package that's going down. This vehicle is set at $275 for the interior and the exterior. So we're going to go ahead and sit back, relax, enjoy the video, and I'm going to take you guys step by step through the process. So hit that like button and let's go. Let's get started. We're about to go ahead and start with the wheels on this vehicle, but first we're gonna pop our ghost here. There we go. One of my new flavors that I'm trying out. I haven't tried this one yet, so let's see how this John hit. Let's see. Woo! I'm also recording for my YouTube live, so if you guys are watching my YouTube live, shout out to you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and start with these wheels real quick, and then once we're done that, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse down the bumper, all the bugs and stuff like that off the vehicle. We'll foam it, hand wash it, and clay bar, and then we'll just apply our bead maker to seal it off. All right, YouTube, so right now we just finished washing the vehicle with our wash mitt and also following up with our clay mitt at the same time. So now we're gonna go ahead and just rinse down the vehicle, dry it up, and then apply our bead maker, and then we'll go ahead and start with the interior portion of this detail. Time is currently 11:24. We've been here for like 45 minutes, or yeah, like 45 minutes, and so far we've been working on the exterior. So let's knock this out, dry it up, and then we'll do the inside. All right, YouTube, so you guys just saw me detail this Tesla Model 3 right behind me here, and you guys saw me do our silver package, which is one of our most recommended and popular services that we offer. So you guys saw me steam clean the interior and stuff like that, which is included with the silver detail package, as well as the shampoo. We include the interior detail and vacuum, of course, basic standard stuff, and then the exterior we include the exterior wash and wax with a added clay bar and bead maker sealant. So this car is going to be nice and protected for a few months now, and it's going to look nice and shiny while also giving them that hydrophobic beads, you know what I'm saying, the beads that everybody wants when they're driving in the rain. So I'm gonna end this video right here. If you like the video, man, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm gonna go ahead and try my best, you guys, to bring y'all content that's fun, exciting, and then, you know, not as boring to watch and stuff like that. So stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Mendez out.